What's going on, everybody? Bilo back here again. Today's video is just going to be about how to copy paste, cut and paste, things like that on your Mac using the keyboard shortcuts. So I know it might sound very simple, but I found that a lot of people find this helpful. So I thought I'd set up some pages documents right here. I already have set up with some text, and we're just going to go through some steps on how to copy paste and cut paste from one document to another. Very simple way of doing so is highlighting and right-clicking and then choosing whatever option you want. But if you want to use your keyboard, let's start with the copy-paste option. So first, you want to select the text that you want to copy, and then on your keyboard, you're going to want to press Command C. So that's Command, the letter C, and the Command button at the same time together. And you can see, keep a lookout for it right here at the Edit option. Once you do that, you'll see that it actually performed a task. So that task was copying the text. So now to paste it into the new document, you just click on the new document, and you're going to press Command V, the letter V, at the same time. So once you do that, it'll copy your text. So Command C will copy the text, and then you click on the new document, and Command V will paste it. So let's try that again with the second text. Command C, and then you just add where you want to add the text, and Command V, and there you have it. So let's do a cut and paste. So if you want to do that, again, you can right-click, cut, or you can click Edit, cut, and also on these drop-down menus, it shows you the keys that you can hold down together. So I think that's really helpful as a guide, because there's a lot of different options that you can do. Select all, deselect all, emojis, undo sent font. So if you make any changes in pages, you can Command Z will undo them. But let's stick with the cut feature right now. So to do that, you're just going to press Command X, and as you can see, cutting it removes it from the original document because it cut it, and you're going to press Command V again to paste it back where you want. So that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, that's copy paste, cut paste. There's a few different ways of doing it. I find it easiest to use the keyboard just because I'm always typing, and Command C, Command V is very quick to use. So I hope you guys find that helpful. Again, I really appreciate all the support. Please do like and subscribe to support my channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll try my best to put out as many videos as I can for you guys, and I hope you guys find that helpful. If you do have any specific features or things you want me to look into or make videos about, please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to do it. Anything on Mac, iPad, iPhone, all that good stuff. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.